Hey, you ever thought, I wish I had that on camera? Well, this is the kind of dash cam right here that actually captures everything. This happens to be the MAGELLAN DR50 3-channel dash cam, and it's built for serious clarity and full coverage. Now up front, you get the true 4K plus dual 2K cameras covering both the rear and interior. That matters because you're not just getting a sharp image, you're getting wide, detailed coverage from every angle. Now with a 170-degree wide angle lens, it captures multiple lanes, license plates, and surrounding traffic without blind spots. Now, where this really stands out is the night driving. The STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor dramatically improves low light performance, so headlights, streetlights, and darker roads come through clear instead of blown out or grainy. This means better quality and detail when it actually matters most. Now, it also includes GPS tracking, Wi-Fi with app control, and a strong mount that stays put. The 24-hour parking mode keeps your car monitored even when you're away, and features like fatigue alerts and an extra layer of safety on long drives. This also has a 64GB card included, and it's ready to go right out of the box. So let me go ahead and unbox this here. Let me show you all the pieces, and then we'll get it tested in the car and installed and see how it actually works. So here you see the box. This is what it comes in here. We're gonna open it up. One of the things you're gonna notice here is how small this is, which is perfect. It's nice, it's compact. Everything's packed in plastic, ready to go. Has protection on there, so you're just gonna peel this off here. And this is the size of your dashboard camera here. Nice and small, ready to go. Now everything else is in the box here. You have the nice long cord to go all the way to the rear camera. You have your rear camera, all the parts to go in the inside, and your power cord all ready to go. So but let me go ahead and get this in the car here. Let's get it installed, test it out, and see how well it works. Okay, I'm in my car now here. What I did was I took this little piece here, and I think it was gonna look really good here right on my mirror. So I took off the sticky piece, put that on there, and then here is the camera and everything. I got all plugged in. I'll show you where that runs here in a second, but you'll see those little pieces right there. That goes in there. It says lock, so we're gonna push it in right over there. I'm gonna lock it in place. And once you push it over there, it is locked in. And I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these cords, I'm gonna put them back behind the mirror there, and I'm gonna bring them down here. And later on, I'm gonna tuck these around here and make them look nice, but I wanna just show you where everything runs. So I have the main power. It's going to come down here and goes into the lighter. All right, that's the one cord right there. The other one now is going to the back. So if you see it comes around the side here, I will tuck that in. It's going to come around the back, comes around the side here, and it has so much cable. I'm going to be able to tuck this in there, tuck it around, and see it comes around back here. Comes out to the outside. You see I still have so much more cable to use. And then I put it on the top of the car right here. So when I put this down, this is going to be facing out to the road, and this one's facing back into the interior. So I'll have the interior and exterior camera on that. So I'm going to close this door here. Let's go ahead and see how this works with the car turned on. All right, and once you turn the car on, you'll see that it automatically comes on right here, and we are going to come on. It's booting on, and then it's a matter of turning this here to where we want it. So it's coming on right now. First time you set it up, of course, you want to set up to what you want. So we're going to do English there. It's going to sync your GPS, go through all different things, your time zone, all that good stuff. Right now, I'm just going to skip it, and I'm going to do the Imperial system. You have the option on that. It gives you a warning, all that good stuff right there. And boom, right away, it starts recording. So you see, it's already done 30 seconds. There's the visual on it. So you can turn the camera there however you want. I want it to look fully that way. So we have that going there. And if I play around with these buttons here, you'll see that we can check, you have the file playback, you connect your app, your sound recording, camera, all that. We go up and down here by pushing these buttons here. And then we can hit the back button right here. We can go down like that. You can see the driving safety, parking mode, all this stuff, video recording. You go through and make this is all set up, and you have your sound card in there ready to go. So hit the back button here. You see, like I said, it's recording. It's all good to go. And we have the back and the front. So right now that's the front. You can take a picture by pushing that button right there. Emergency recording, you can stop, do all that stuff. So go through your manual, see all the different things you can do with this. But let me go start driving. Let's see what kind of visual this looks like here during the day. And you see here as we're driving, okay, that's the what going through the windshield here, and this is what it looks like on the dash cam. You see it shows the miles per hour there, and look how clear that picture is. So, you know, if I'm actually then pulling the recording off that, you're gonna see how clear that is. That is looking at the dash cam. That is the 4K, and it's just absolutely amazing how well that looks, and how that could pick up everything you need as you're driving. So this is again my visual right here of me driving, and then that's the recording that would be on there. So it would be on the SD card. You can pull it off there, and then we have the interior for pulling as well. And so all that is pulling in there nicely, clear, crisp. And whenever you need a recording, boom, you got it. It's going to continuously loop and have everything you need. So you know, whether you need to get license plates, where you need to get proof from an accident or any of that stuff, you'd have it right there. It's pretty amazing how good that looks. I'm looking forward to testing this at night too. But that's definitely am going to really love this. And I like how easy it was to put it in there. I didn't have to tuck any wires. I didn't have to, put it on the license plate through the door. It was very, very simple. Now that I've overall tested it, I can feel that overall it is one of those upgrades that gives you the peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Now, I give this 2 thumbs up. I strongly recommend it. You can purchase it on Amazon, and I'm including the link in the description for you to check it out. Hope you enjoyed my review and you get great use out of using this product.